Hi, Kennedy kids. It's Miss Paulson this morning welcoming you with our Monday morning greeting. Today, I'm going to be sharing a song with you that our fifth graders might remember. They did it in a concert, but not this year, not last year, but way back in third grade. They shared this song, and this was one of their favorites. It's called La Bamba. It's a very famous Mexican song. Now, just so you know, I'm recording on my personal laptop because my work laptop isn't working. That makes the audio kind of tinny. So if you listen and go, that sounds funny, nothing we can do for today. And two, I've practiced this song a lot, but it goes kind of fast. So I apologize if I mispronounce any of the words, although I have practiced, so I think I'll be okay. Here is La Bamba, if Mr. Computer will let me play it. There we go. Baila, baila la bamba, baila, baila la bamba, se necesita un poco de gracia, una poco de gracia y una cosita, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, por ti seré, bamba, 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 bamba. Cielo, para subir al cielo se necesita una escalera grande o una chiquita y arriba y arriba, y arriba y arriba y arriba iré por ti